Conair Manicure Rechargeable Kit, White. For manicures and pedicures, fully charged unit works for 45 minutes. 2 speed, 6 interchangeable heads, 2 filing smoothing discs, polishing disc, callus remover, pointed stone to smooth skin and cuticle area, cuticle shaper, finger rest for comfort and complete control, compact, luxurious storage travel case, all listed. 1-year limited warranty, compact and convenient. The elegant nails kit from Conair helps you get the polished, shapely nails usually only seen on salon goers. The backbone of the kit is a rechargeable base unit with a contoured shape, cordless operation, and 2 dial controlled speeds. Separate accessory pieces attached to the base for smoothing skin, shaping cuticles, and polishing nails on both fingers and toes. There are 6 accessory pieces in all: an abrasive cap for calluses, a cuticle shaper, a pointed stone for smoothing cuticles, a coarse filing disc, a fine filing disc, and a polishing disc for shining. The included finger rest helps with precision and is adjustable or removable. A plug-in recharger is also included. The kit's sturdy storage case, measuring just 612 by 512 by 214 inches, keeps it tidy and makes it excellent for traveling. Emily Bedard. New stainless steel square mini manicure set by the. I can't say that I love the manicure set. Although I may sound ignorant for saying so, there are a couple of tools in this case that confuse me as to what their use is. There is no manual explaining what each tool does. It also has a separator that goes over the tools to keep them from touching each other when the case is closed. The separator looks and feels like a dried out Clorox wipe. The case is nice, but seems to not close tightly and is very cramped with all tools inside. I'll still use it though. New stainless oval steel mini manicure set by the. When my manicure-loving 11-year-old niece expressed interest in owning a good manicure set, I immediately knew I could find what I wanted at a great price on Amazon. After much searching for a bargain, I ran across the Lighthouse brand and realized I could get what I wanted and for a fantastic price. I was so happy with the price that I purchased the 10-piece set for the same price she received the manicure set for Christmas and is thrilled with the gift. The kit is easy to open and all of the instruments are precision steel tools. The kit is also very compact, which she loves. I would definitely recommend this product. Red Carpet Manicure Gems and Jewels. Red Carpet Manicure gives you all of the tools plus a few extras to create nails dripping in gems and jewels with the LED gel polish. Just follow the simple instructions and voila, your nails will say you have arrived. Go from understated to outrageous with the crystal gems and jewels and glitter. Be creative, have fun, make your next manicure a Red Carpet Gems and Jewels manicure from the comfort of your home. Manicure set with metal case. This is nice to have, it has everything you needs to sew your own mani and pedi, only thing missing is the nail polish. Lyra Men's Manicure Set 10-piece. Men's Manicure Set is a great giveaway for the hardest to please, especially men. Perfect for travel and everyday use. Total Manicure Instant Cuticle Remover with Argan Oil with. Love this product, makes my nails look better and feel better. Have already ordered another bottle. Leather Mini Manicure Executive Travel Set. I totally love this manicure set. This 5-piece set comes with a pair scissors, 2 nail clippers, a nail clipper knife and covered nail file. Everything is stored in a small black leathered case. It can easily fit in your pants pocket without or pocketbook. The nail clippers and scissors cuts extremely well. I recommend everyone to buy this. I received this manicure set at a discounted rate for an honest and unbiased review. Medicool Pro Power 30K Professional Electric Manicure and Pedicure. Medicool Pro Power 30K is a professional quality manicure and pedicure file machine designed specifically for the demanding, professional nail technician. It's powerful, lightweight and has the capability of completing any manicure or pedicure service. Voluma Manicure Set. This is my initial review for the Voluma Manicure Set. This set is amazing. It's so much better than I was expecting, even though it's exactly as pictured. My first reaction to this set was literally, wow. The case feels so well made. The synthetic leather is soft. The case is heavier than you would expect, probably from all that stainless steel. It has a push button that releases the lock. The hinges almost cover the whole side, and they're metal, so I don't anticipate them falling off or apart anytime soon. I had originally wanted this kit to keep at work for emergency nail repairs, but this is too nice for that. This is a good gift quality kit. It also comes in a very sturdy box. I received this product through a promotional discount in exchange for an honest review. Sally Hansen Treatment Complete 7-in-1 Salon Manicure. Skip the salon, get the results. Don't settle for just color when you can get a base coat, strengthener, growth treatment, salon-inspired color, top coat, chip resistance, and a gel finish all in one bottle. Featuring the unique precision brush for a flawless finish and patented VitaCare technology for advanced 10-day wear, more shine and nourishing care.